Assalamu alaikum. Al-Khair Foundation is here today in Croydon in St Mildred's Church to distribute winter items, essentials to the homeless. Follow me and I will take you and guide you to show you our distribution.
Al-Khair Foundation is supporting vulnerable people in the UK. People who due to loss, tragedy, misfortune or complex circumstances are currently homeless. Warm meals and winter pack distributions have been taking place since winter set in, to the neediest of people.
Let me just run you past the items we have. We are here to donate 50 gloves, 60 boxer shorts. We have over 50 long johns here. And we have 120 socks.
Working alongside churches, masajid and various refuge centres, Al-Khair's humanitarian efforts right here in the UK have been appreciated by people of all backgrounds and faiths.
We're expecting about 70 men and women, different ages, different backgrounds, different nationalities, different faiths, to come and visit us today. We're particularly grateful to the Al-Khair Foundation, who've come in today with a really generous donation of underwear and clothing, and that's going to be really well needed, particularly this time of year in the middle of winter, by the people that come and visit us.
I've been homeless since I was 13. The reason why I was homeless, I'm a runaway. I've been in prison most of my life, and at the moment I'm homeless. You know, if anyone can help the homeless in any way possible, please do, because we need it. Housing, shelter, clothes, anything please.
We have our dedicated volunteers here that will be helping us distribute the food, and this will be all in conjunction with Al-Khair Foundation winter campaign, Let's Get Together, and we hope to bring a change to the people that need.
The distribution of warm food has brought communities together, as some vulnerable people only receive one meal a day. Al-Khair has been committed to providing them further and ongoing sustenance. The volunteers are the backbone of the UK winter campaign. With their selflessness and commitment, Al-Khair has been able to reach more people this year than previous year's support programs.
Al-Khair Foundation are doing a wonderful job. There are many homeless people in the UK, more than you can imagine, and not all of them have accommodation or food or water to drink. So Al-Khair Foundation goes to deliver to help those in need. I think a lot of people should help out by donating money wherever you can to Al-Khair Foundation. You can donate money, you can donate your time and volunteer like myself to help them in their activities, help them in their program which they have. And there's various ways to donate. You can do it online, you can do it through phone, you can do direct debit. Just a small amount will help Al-Khair Foundation raise money to keep feeding the homeless and providing winter warm packs for them. Or as I said, you can volunteer like myself and help them and be more active.
And Alhamdulillah, today we we gave them foods and they're really happy, and it's bring the smiles, while smile is a sunnah. And this thing we can do, maybe is little, but if we all come together in the one stage, we can do something massive.
One of the support workers from our partner organizations provides an insight into what these people go through, as well as summarizing the range of support required to help vulnerable people get back on their feet.
I would firstly like to thank the charity organisation Al-Khair for coming in today and distributing lovely food that they have been taking one by one. They've experienced, as you can imagine, rough sleeping, entrenched sleeping, alcohol and substance misuse issues, neglect from the families, and they've just been marginalised, you know, and very destitute. We are thankful for the opportunity to take these men in and support them through their journey, and hopefully equip them with tools that they can eventually go back out there in the community and live independently. We also do in-house services, we do groups, we do chaplaincy service, spiritual programs, we also run psychosocial intervention programs, we also hold regular key workings. The importance of organisations like Al-Khair to show their love, care and generosity is well received by our residents, and they always have a kind of a smile on their face when they know that there's a particular organisation that's coming in to kind of, you know, distribute some sort of love and food and, you know, even stuff for the warmth.
Every week, no one tells them to come here. They do it off their own free back, you know. And the best thing about these blokes is they help everybody, regardless of Christian, Muslim, Jewish, and that's the crux. You guys are helping everyone, and that's the beauty of it.
Supplying food, hats, gloves, winter packs and stuff like that. It helps a lot. The food's always good feeling. Keep doing what they're doing basically.
Al-Khair needs your support as a volunteer to continue our efforts throughout the year. To get involved, call us now on 03000 999 786. Or for further information, please visit the website at alkhair.org.